Greetings, friends. As always, it's an honor to welcome you back to Rick's Garage. This is a brief follow-up on a video I posted last year on how to remove a gas tank from a Cub Cadet XT1 or XT2 lawn tractor. The purpose is to answer a comment posted by one of my viewers. Larry writes, and I redacted his full name, "Why not clean the outside of the tank and surrounding area?" Well, I'm sure others of you are wondering the same thing, and I promise you I did not feel good about it as I was doing it. The reason for this is this tractor belongs to my neighbor. He owns a construction company. He's an extremely busy man. He rarely gets time off, and he was trying to mow his lawn, and the tractor kept quitting on him. He brought the tractor over and asked me if I could find out what was going on with it. He wanted it back as quickly as possible, so I really didn't have a lot of time to spend on it. I needed to get it right back to him. As chance would have it, when I received this comment, I was in the process of doing a similar job to another Cub Cadet lawn tractor. I originally did not plan on filming that job because I had already posted this one. However, I decided to come in on this new project already in progress just to show you what it looks like when you do, in fact, take the time to clean the outside of the tank and the engine cover. So what I've done so far is I've pulled the gas tank out. I've cleaned it inside and out, reinstalled it. I pulled the engine cover off, cleaned that inside and out. I've installed a brand new filter. I've lubricated the steering mechanism with lithium grease. I've lubricated the throttle assembly and the automatic choke assembly. And now I'm in the process of installing a brand new fuel pump. It goes right there. Okay, I've got the fuel pump installed and I've got the fuel line to the carburetor hooked up. I still have to hook up the fuel line that goes to the gas tank. I'll do that later. Now, as part of this tune-up, if you will, for this upcoming season, normally you would change the oil. Well, this machine is equipped with an hours gauge. It's right there. This has a schedule for changing the oil. It gives you a reminder every 50 hours. So I want to stay on that schedule. So I won't know if it's time to change the oil or not until I start up the machine. And if I've got a few hours to go before I have to change the oil, then I'll run it up to that point and then I'll change the oil. I definitely want to stay on that schedule. The other thing I usually do is pull the deck and check the blades, clean all the grass that's caked up over there from the previous season. But I'm not going to do that right this minute either. I have a problem. The flat idler pulley has a dead spot on it, and the belt needs to be changed. So whenever you engage the drive wheels, it makes a racket. So I'm going to produce a video on how to replace the drive belt and the idler pulley. I haven't got those parts yet, so I'm not going to take the deck off till I'm ready to do that job. So that's all I've got, friends. I want to thank you once again for watching Rick's Garage. Before I go, I'll post two videos to your left. One will be the removal of the gas tank, and the other will be something I hope you find of interest. And to your right, as always, will be a picture of my avatar in the form of my trusty German Shepherd. Now been with me 11 years. So thanks for watching, and we hope to see you all very, very soon.